Welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the ChatGPT Google Extension. The ChatGPT Google Extension is a powerful tool that can help you enhance your search engine results and gain more insight into the topics you're searching. In this video, we will show you how to use the extension and provide practical examples. First, you will need to create an account at openai.com. Once you have created an account, you can download the extension from the Chrome Web Store. Once the extension is installed, you will be able to access it from the Chrome toolbar. You can set when the summary window pops up. The default is set to always, but you could set it to manual or set it to pop up if your search engine query ends in a question mark. That's how I have mine set. When you perform a search, the ChatGPT Google extension will provide a summary of the topic you are searching for, saving you from having to sift through web search results for your answer. The summary will include a brief overview of the topic. The summary will also provide an analysis of the topic, including the main points and arguments. The ChatGPT Google extension also provides a chat window that allows you to ask questions about the topic you are researching right from the summary window. This chat window is powered by ChatGPT, which is a natural language processing technology. This technology allows the extension to understand your questions and provide relevant answers. Let's take a look at an example. If we search for the Eiffel Tower, the ChatGPT Google extension will provide a summary of the topic, as well as a chat window where we can ask follow-up questions about this topic. Using the ChatGPT Google extension is a great way to enhance your search engine results and gain more insight into the topics you're researching. You can access this ChatGPT window at any time. Just pin the icon to your extension bar and click the icon whenever you want access to the window, regardless of what tab you're in. I think you will find this extension to be a lot better than the ChatGPT Chrome extension. You get the same functionality as ChatGPT Chrome, but with the added benefit of the search engine summary. With its comprehensive summaries and chat windows, the extension can provide you with the information you need to make more informed decisions. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use the ChatGPT Google extension. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one.